Hey YouTube family, it's the Eccentric Diva, and I'm coming on with an unboxing of my very first pair of Teva sandals. I'm also going to try them on for you. So I received them the other day in this box, and it came with a Deckers brand tape around them. So I don't know if they're affiliated with Deckers or not, but that was my first, that's what caught my eye at first. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and open these. Okay, so it comes in a box like this, and with Teva rather, established in 1984. So the pair that I got was the Flatform Universal in black in size 9. You open up the box, it opens this way. It has this paper. And this is what they look like when you take them out the box. This one has almost like a 2-inch heel. And I noticed that underneath the sole has like these triangles, and the same ones are on the paper that they wrap them in. So it also says that it's made from recycled materials. Okay. So I understand that the sole is actually made, it's called like a spider web sole or something like that. Or spider sole, I don't know. Something like that I heard. And anyway, you have like, oh, it feels pretty soft here. So, also you have the adjustable straps, which are Velcro. And also across the toe, you have the Velcro. If I can open it. Oh, okay, there's a little tab here. I was trying to get it at the wrong spot. So you have this Velcro also up top and on around the ankle. All right, they're pretty lightweight. So I just wanted like a little bit of height because I plan on wearing this with some like maxi dresses. So sometimes they can be a little bit long, so that's why I wanted one with a little bit. I didn't want the real flat one. I wanted a little bit of a heel. And I'm going to be going on vacation soon, so these are probably going to be my staple sandals because I want comfort too. So now I'm going to try them on and show you how they look on my feet. This is what they look like on my feet, and they really have like a nice cushion to them. And I want you to see them on my feet. So like almost like a dad sandal. So you know they're pretty much in this summer again. And this is my first pair. I got these, actually, I think I got a little discount on them. So I think they were, I honestly don't remember what I paid for them. Somewhere around 50, between 50 and 60, but I know I got like a 10% or so discount on them. And so I will link below, you know, and in the description box, I will link below these sandals so you can check them out. Or I'll put the price like right here. So I hope you like this video, my first Teva try-on purchase. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click the notification bell right next to it so you get notified every time I upload, which I'm trying to do every Wednesday. You know, being consistent and trying to have content is definitely a kind of a chore. But you know, I enjoy doing this, and so at least I want to get back into it and just do at least once a week. I think before, when I used to do more YouTube, I was just doing once a month. But now I know you got to be more consistent, so that's what I'm trying to do. And you know, we'll see how long this lasts. I'm hoping that, you know, I will be consistent, and because I love doing the videos. Like I said before, I love doing them. I like editing, all that. So this is like my hobby, and so I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.